Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this big heart applique. This is very easy to do as it is done using very simple stitches of crochet like single crochets, half double crochets, double crochets and triple crochets. Since we are using all the basic stitches of crochet, so this can be done by any absolute beginner. So let's begin the tutorial. For this, the materials that we need are a 3.5 mm crochet hook and any colored yarn as per your choice. In order to start with the heart applique, first we'll be making a magic circle. Inside the magic circle, work 8 double crochets. And once we are done with the 8 double crochets, pull the tail of the magic circle in order to close it and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet worked. So this finishes our row 1. Now in order to work the second round, chain 1 and work 2 double crochets into each of the stitches. So since we have done 8 double crochets for the previous round, so at the end of the second round we'll be having 16 double crochets. So just continue working like this. So after doing the second round, I've slip stitched on top of the first double crochet worked. Now in order to work the third round, again work 1 chain, and the sequence for this round is to work 1 double crochet into the first stitch followed by 2 double crochet into the next. So this is the sequence that will be following for the entire round, making 1 double crochet into the first stitch followed by 2 double crochet into the next. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. So here I have done the third round, and at the end I have slip stitched on top of the first double crochet worked. Now for this round, the total number of stitches that we have are 24. Now for the fourth round, that is the final round of our heart, we will be giving shape to the heart. So for that, chain 1 and into the same stitch, that is the first stitch, we will be working 1 half double crochet followed by 1 double crochet, work 1 chain, again work 1 double crochet followed by 1 half double crochet. So these are the 4 stitches which I have done all into the same stitch separated by chain 1. So this will form the tip of our heart. Now into the next 2 stitches work 1 half double crochet each. And again into the next stitch work 1 half double crochet. So here I have done with the 2 half double crochets. Now into the next 3 stitches work 1 single crochet each. Into the next stitch work 2 half double crochet. So into the same stitch I worked 2 half double crochets. Into the next stitch again work 2 double crochets. So this is the first one. Again into the same stitch I'll be working 1 more double crochet. Into the next stitch work 3 triple crochets. So this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Now into the next stitch work 2 triple crochets. So here I have done with the 2 triple crochets. Into the next stitch work 2 double crochets. First, second, into the next work 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch work a slip stitch. So here you can see when you work these stitches in this manner, you will see that a nice curve shape is getting formed. Now for the other side of the heart, we will be following the same sequence but in the reverse way. Now since we have done with the slip stitch, moving to the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. Into the next, work 2 triple crochets. Into the next, work 3 triple crochets. Into the next, work 2 double crochets. Into the next, work 2 half double crochets. Now into the next 3 stitches, we will be working 1 single crochet each. Into the next 2 stitches, work 1 half double crochet each. Now slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet worked. So isn't it very easy and fast to do heart applique? So now let's cut the yarn. We'll leave a long tail so that you can use it to sew the applique to your crochet work. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.